You can present 12 psychological tricks to manipulate people's mind. Excited to know some awesome psychological tricks? Here is this awesome compilation of 12 psychological tricks and tips that will work on any people you meet in daily life. These tricks will help you in an incredible number of areas within self-improvement, including communication, first impressions, gaining attraction, etc. So, let's get started. First, ask for big favors. People feel terrible when denying a request. So let's say you want a donation from someone. Instead of asking them directly to donate $10, say, "Would you like to donate $100 to my cause?" And when they deny it, ask again, "How about $10?" They will more likely accept your second request because comparatively, second offer will cost them much less. Shopkeepers use this all the time. They first try to sell you for a high price, and when you start bargaining, they just accept a lower price. Second, the power of the pause. Have you noticed how politicians and speakers use pauses in their speech? Before announcing any big decision, they take a long pause, and that is very effective in gaining the listener's attention and curiosity. So next time, during a meeting or conversation, take proper pause before announcing the big thing to make your presentation more effective and exciting. Third, importance of the word because. When asking for something you want, use the word because in your request. See, the word because has a powerful psychological effect. It forces the brain to believe that there is a reason for the request. According to research conducted by Langer in 1970s, when people requested to break the line, more people agreed when requested with the word because in the sentence as compared to request without containing because, although the reason given is exactly the same. You can use this to your advantage. For instance, if you want to borrow money from someone, ask them, "Can you lend me $3 because I am getting fewer sales in recent times?" Just by using because, the other person will understand you and have empathy for you. Fourth, check eye color. When meeting someone for the first time, check their eye color. Well, let me clear this, eye color is not important. While checking the person's eye color, you will be able to maintain eye contact with the person for a sufficient amount of time, and we all know the importance of eye contact to build trust and relation. Fifth, calling by name. Want to build reliable connections with others? Remember the person's name, and when you meet them again, greet them by their name. Say, "Hi Peter," instead of just saying hi. And don't stop there. Remember little details which they mentioned in the earlier meeting and ask about it. People feel important and respected when you remember little details about them, and they will automatically feel connected with you. Sixth, keep silent. If you doubt that someone is lying to you, just remain silent and maintain eye contact when they are finished talking. The silence and your expectation for more information will drive them towards truth. When we force someone to tell the truth, they will come up with lies and manipulative answers and get away. On the other hand, if we just remain silent, they will keep on explaining the things which will probably lead them to tell the truth. 7. Tell one secret. Making a bond with someone may seem difficult, but we have a trick for you. Just share your one secret with the other person. They will feel valuable and trustworthy and will eventually be more open with you. When going on a date with a girl, tell them your secret story and ask them to keep it a secret. When you trust them with your secret, they will also feel connected to you and they will share their stories as well. 8. Ask a person for help. Don't ask people for help. Need some help with your stuff? Rather than announcing for help like, "Can someone fill this form for me?" Instead, ask for help from an individual like, "Hey Peter, can you fill this form for me?" While asking for help individually to a person, they most probably accept the request because they feel responsible if they deny it. 9. Frame requests as a choice. People like having a choice, and if you want something, you will have more success if you give people choices. Also, frame your request in a selective answer like yes or no. When given options in the request itself, the other person will have fewer things to think about and will make decisions faster. So, rather than saying to someone to complete the work, you should ask them, when will you be able to complete this work? By the afternoon or by evening? 10. Count to 5. The next time you don't want to do something you know you are supposed to be doing, tell yourself you will count to 5 and then do it. Like if you are thinking of skipping the gym, just pause for a few moments, start counting till 5 and then get ready for the gym. It may seem odd, but while counting we give our brain some time to rationalize the situation and act accordingly instead of just jumping to the wrong decision. 11. Match body language. Want to create an instant connection with someone? Just mirror their body language. That's a nice trick to gain attention and build rapport with anyone. But don't overdo it, just lightly follow their posture and facial expression without being noticed. For example, if a seated client uncrosses his legs and leans slightly forward while speaking, you should wait for a few seconds and then adopt a similar posture. 12. Chewing gum to reduce anxiety. A study presented in the International Congress Behavioral Medicine found that chewing gum was associated with higher alertness, reduced anxiety, and improved overall performance on multitasking activities. Chewing gum is also associated with reduced level of cortisol hormone, which is mainly responsible for anxiety and stress. So, if you are too anxious for any meeting, public speaking, or an event, take some chewing gum with you. Before the event that makes you nervous, chew some gum to release the stress. So that's it for now. Do you know any other psychological trick? So which trick from today's video are you going to try first? Let us know in the comment section below. Press the like button if you liked the video and share it with your friends to help them as well. For more exciting videos like this, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any new video. Thanks for watching.